Hi guys, this week I'm going back to a log picking video because I have hurt my foot. I've torn the muscles in it, so I gotta do this one, but it'd be interesting to hear people if they prefer these on the job or if they want to see me do something different like ECU repairs. It's really good if you could let me know so I can do the videos you all want. So today I'm doing a BA6. They are commonly in Peugeot, Citroëns, Renault. There's a skew of cars that it does. So, with the tension bar by here, we open it up and give it a slight tension. That's the turning force of the key, as you can see. So, we turn it a little bit, and then you'll notice again we have two lifters. It's a twin lifter basically. So we've got one which decodes this one to the left, this one to the right. So as you can see on top here, on the right we have 5, 6, 7, 8, and on the left 1, 2, 3, 4. Also we have Q and H, which is basically mean the same number, Q being 4, H being 8. So we start with the turning force, which I'm trying to explain it a bit better because I've had a couple of people say to me about the tension, and it's hard to describe. So you just push it up, 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 up. It's just gently up, it stops, and then see if there's anything binding. And obviously this one is, and this is on the back lifter. So there you go. There's number 1. Then we want the number 2, which is springy. And we move to number 3, which is firm. I think it's firm. It feels firm. There we go. And it's springy now. You'll notice 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 1, 2, 4, 5. Is on the bottom, and 3 and 5 are on top, and it's the same in all the VA6, VA2 locks. We've done number 3. Now we're on to number 4. It's the back one, so slight pick. Now when I pick, sometimes you'll see the lock, you'll see the pick come towards me a bit. So when you're pushing down, you can feel it move with the right tension. And just go back with it, just slacken off minutely every time, and it's just to allow the wafer not to bind. So there's number 5, and now we're unlocked or locked, whichever way that is. I don't know which way that is. So when I decode this, obviously we push down gently till it stops. And the first number it lands on by here is a number 7 on this side, but the arrow's pointing to the left, so it's a number 3. So we'll write down the first number, which will be 3. Next number is going to be on the very, very top, and the arrow's going right, so that'd be number 8. So then we got number 3. And we push up, we land on number, so I've got a number 3 on the left, that'll be number 7. And then we go on to 4 and 5. So number 4 is 3, because the arrow's going left, which you can see by here. And then we're on number 5. We push it down to the stops. That's a number 8. And then we go across here to this last one, we push it up. Oh, there's my camera unfocused, there we go. So we push it up, and it lands on number 2. So our code would be 387382. And these are a split wafer lock. So you'll have basically one in front or one in the back, and then that's where the twin lift is coming into it. Like, for example, this would be the front, this would be the back, or the other way around, and whatnot. So, thank you for watching. If there's more videos you'd like to see, if you could be very specific in what you'd like to see, that'd be fantastic. Because I'm thinking about doing an ECU repair video next. I have an ECU about with a trace that has been ripped off. So, yeah, if you'd like to see that, that'll be my next video once my foot is better. As always, thank you for everyone who subscribed and liked my videos. I really appreciate it. Is anything you want to see or go over, or want me to go over, I should say, please let me know. So thank you so much. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate every one of you.